How to add pictures to the Grab app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add pictures to the Grab app. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Once you're in your profile, look for the pencil icon, which allows you to edit your profile information. Tap on it. Now, find and tap on the camera icon in your profile picture section. This will open options for adding a photo. You can choose to either take a new photo using your camera or select a photo from your gallery. If you want to select an avatar, you can do that as well. After selecting or capturing your preferred picture, make sure to adjust it if necessary. Finally, save the changes, and your new picture will be added to your Grab account. Now, your profile is updated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.